Welcome everyone, it's Neil here from 3D Tudor, back today with another Starving Artist and another modular pack. And this time the artist in question goes by the name of Oguzan, and this is a cemetery modular pack. Now before we get into this pack, as you can see from the screen here, just how amazing this looks. So just what a job we actually did putting all of this together. And actually, we did this with a few clicks. So this pack doesn't only come just with the actual cemetery, so all the modular parts and things like that, but you can also get your hands on our deluxe pack, which comes both with our Meadow geometry node, but more importantly, with our actual Blendcraft compositor add-on. Now, Blendcraft is one of the best add-ons in the industry right now. And as you can see, if I go to my compositor, let me just pull this across. It's basically one click. So with one click, you will be able to actually bring in light. You'll be able to bring in the color, the gloss, the volume. Everything basically is done with one click, all from the right-hand side. Incredibly easy to set up. I will be going through all of that once we've gone through our cemetery modular pack. So now let's head on over and take a look at this. So here we are, guys. This will be the blend file that you get. You will also get the actual example file that I've just showed you. Of course, unless you buy the deluxe, it won't be with the actual Blendcraft. But as you can see on the right hand side here, everything is set out nicely and neatly. So everything's in its own folder. What's more as well, when you download this actual Blender file, you will actually get access to the asset manager, so everything will be in there for you. So in other words, you can open up any of your blend files and put the file into edit. So if you go to preferences, just make sure on the file paths that the file is actually linked to this actual Blender file, and then you should have all of these. So you can see here we've supplied you a load of alphas, so you can see all of these alphas which go on the gravestones like this. So you can see on these gravestones we've actually added those alphas into there, but you can use these alphas on any of your own things. We've also got in here as well things like the trees, so you can see just how gnarly these trees look and really fit the atmosphere of what we're going for here. As well as that, you can see that we've got all the candles with the flames on there. We've got a few rocks that you can scatter around and a couple of coffins here like so. And finally then, we've got a spade, we've got a couple of fences, a wall and a main entrance. And you can see all of that from the actual main image that I've actually created, just how easy it is to put it all together and create something really nice. So with these packs, we're actually trying to support artists, and we're calling it the Starving Artist because a lot of artists are really struggling right now, especially with all of the mid-journey and things like this that are really impacting not only them actually selling things, but getting into the space, getting their work in front of other people. So if you can, guys, if you can be supportive and help out any of the artists that we're representing through the modular packs or their other work, that would be fantastic. Lastly, if you haven't become a member yet of our YouTube channel, then please think about that. It's $9.99 per month, and you will be surprised just how much content you're going to get. Basically, we're moving our entire library, so our entire course library, onto YouTube with a fixed fee of $9.99. So if you want to grab that, check out the link down below. Alright, so lastly then, I'm going to now show you our Blendcraft just in case you missed it. And it's incredibly powerful, guys, so make sure you stay and watch that. All right, thanks a lot, everyone. Cheers, happy modeling. Bye-bye.